Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. To all my new viewers, thank you guys so much for stopping by and click that video to watch me doing decorating here in my home. So everyone, in this video, I am collaborating with my dear friend LOTTA here in YouTube. So a little bit of backstory about me and LOTTA. Last year, 9 months ago, I have a YouTube channel. I just started my YouTube channel and I started participating in the collaboration. So one of them is LOTTA is one of my faithful subscriber, my supporters 100%. So with all of those 9 months of journey on YouTube, all of my videos, she commented like, I believe 120 of them. So, and every time I do my live, she was always there all the time, cheer me up, and some other people on my live, which is very, very close to my heart. One of them is Betty Allen and Effie Smith, and other people that I don't mention. I know who you are. You know who you are. And LOTTA is one of them. So I told her to create a YouTube channel, and she told me she's going to do it in 2021, and she finally did. So 2 months ago, she created a YouTube channel, and I am her first subscribers. So I always encourage her to create a video, and I'm very proud of her because all of the video that she made, I love it. And LOTTA, you did a very, very well job over there, and please continue to do so. So today, I am collaborating with her one-on-one because as I believe, she told me I'm her inspiration. I would like her to inspire more and people out there to inspire yourself on whoever you are. You know, you're fun in YouTube, so do what you can. Don't be discouraged if your views are down, because I've been that way. So just push yourself and motivate yourself and create that video that what you love, and people will love it. So don't worry about the views as long as you have fun and share your creation. Alright everyone, so without further ado, let's get this started. Everyone, before we move on to my video, so I would like to know a little bit of my friend LOTTA's channel. So over here, what she do in her channel mostly right now is Tablescape. And as you can see, being a new YouTuber, she did really good job in decorating her Tablescape. I love everything over here. The way she styled her centerpiece is very, very pretty. So everyone, after you watch my video, please go over to my friend LOTTA's channel and give her your support, and hopefully guys, you subscribe to her channel. As a new YouTubers, this is a good way to connect with each other. Joining a collaboration is also a plus in order for you to grow your channel. So whoever has an open invitation over there, just jump to it and do what you can and highlight your channel, what is your specialty in your channel. That's how you grow. And to all people watching this video, if you are inspired to whoever your favorite creator is, I think it's time for you to create a channel as well, because so that we can inspire each other. Only if you want to, and only if you are into home decorating. Or you can create any video, probably a vlogs channel. It's up to you what is your comfortable to work with. So I think that's one of my advice. Here in this Tablescape, mostly item I'm using here is from Goodwill. So today guys, I am going to mix patterns of my table setup. So these decorating ideas, I'm going to play around with the color of coral, green, amber, and gold. And as you know me for a while, I love to play around with my Tablescape and how I decorate it. Sometimes I do eclectic. Of course, my favorite is Glam, modern farmhouse, rustic farmhouse, boho chic, also Tuscan and French country. I also have an upcoming close collab with my dear friend here. She's one of the member of the Glam Squad and some other of my close friend as well. And we are doing an Arabian tea party. So guys, please stay tuned for this. I don't know when is the date, but it's already been confirmed. And I am so excited about this because it is new to me and it's new style for me. So I'm always open for a challenge. So guys, we'll see what I'm going to come up with. Everyone, tomorrow, stay tuned. We have a close collab of my member of the Glam Squad. So we are doing, I believe, spring into Easter. So we are decorating our home here. So please stay tuned at 7 p.m. tomorrow. So this challenge over here is I shop my home. The only one it's new here that I recently hauled, I believe last month, is the ginger jar from Ross. These goblets over here, this is the first time that I use it. I have this for a while. And finally, I was able to use this in this Tablescape. And as you can see here, my signature touch is my throw pillow and my throw blanket. So most of the time you will see that in my Tablescape. Welcome to my Glam Easter Tablescape. I hope you enjoy. This plate setting, I already used this one. Today is twice because I used this one on fall. And it was, I believe, same flower I did use there. So I will leave the link of that video in my description box. My tip on the Tablescape, this is one of my tricks. So when my plates have a different color, so I pick 3 colors first. And then that's what I'm gonna work how to style them. And if some of you don't have a lot of items, you can reuse your plates. Just do changes with your centerpiece and probably your napkin, because that's the way you will change the setting. Everyone, I have an open invitation coming up on April 20th. This one is the Alice and Wonderland Tablescape. You can do a tea party with yours or a tablescape. It's up to you, and the open invitation will be released this week. So please look out on my community tab and whoever are my co-hosts. Oh no, sorry guys, all of us will gonna be the host. My runner is my all-time favorite runner every day, so I have that for 3 years now. My placemat, I have that for, I believe, 2 or 3 years, but I never used it yet, and this is the first time that it got used. And here is the nighttime look.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours.
Everyone, please let me know if you like this styling ideas that I created today in this video. And if you are, please leave me a comments below. And if I have to change something, which one is it?
Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like.
And please guys, don't forget to stop by at my friend's channel, LOTTA. Please give her your love and support as you've been giving to me. I'm pretty sure she will love it. I'm grateful for your support. Everyone, if you have a request for me, what style do you want me to do next? Please give me a comments down below and I will do it for you, because I believe I have all this item here in my home. And to some of you over there, please don't hesitate to ask me if you have a question about your channel. Please don't be hesitate. I will be happy to help you if I can. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload videos, you will be notified. To all my people from the Philippines, maraming salamat po sa pagpanood ng video ko. To all the people all over the world who are watching my videos, once again guys, thank you so much for your love and support. And to all my subscribers, don't have a channel, and to all the creators, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone, be safe.